Meet the brand new Yema Diver, a compact, vintage-inspired tool watch built for adventure under the waves. Part of Yema's new Celita-powered collection, this diver distills everything we love about classic French diving watches into a sleek, modern package. Unlike the iconic Superman, this model introduces a redesigned modern-style case, slimmer, shorter, and more refined. At just 39.5 millimeters in diameter and 10.95 millimeters thick, it's an easy fit on any wrist while maintaining that rugged, dive-ready look. Framed by a solid steel unidirectional bezel and topped with a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, the Yema Diver is water-resistant to 200 meters, a true tool watch with utilitarian charm. You'll get a choice of a clean white dial or a stealthy black dial, both loaded with cream-toned superluminova for vintage warmth and superb legibility. Broad arrow hands complete the classic dive watch aesthetic. Inside beats the proven Celita SW200 automatic movement, running at 4 Hz with a 38-hour power reserve, reliable, serviceable, and ready for years of daily wear. The Yema Diver comes on a supple, tropic-style rubber strap for €890, or on a beads of rice steel bracelet with diver's extension for €990. Both versatile, both comfortable. Thank you for watching.